Alright, so for the last piece, the mountain piece, this piece fit right in there without cutting the main piece. This one, it's not going to be like that. This one here is a little bit longer, so we do need to cut some off. So I place it on there to decide where I want to cut it off. And for this one, I want to cut it off on this end simply because I like this piece here under there rather than say more below there. Personal preference, neither one is right or wrong. You choose how you want your card to be. I happen to know that this center piece here is 5 inches, so I'm going to be cutting there to make sure that this piece is 5 inches long. So I'm putting it along one of the lines on my trimmer here. I know that this is the 5-inch mark, and I'm going to cut that piece off there. Once again, I am taking my other piece and I'm going to cut 1 inch off of each of the sides. Now you'll notice one of the white bits came off. Once again, it's okay. It goes right behind these trees there, so you're not seeing the entire bit of it. So it doesn't need to be absolutely perfect in any way for that particular piece, because you're not actually going to see that particular detail. All right, let's put the trimmer to the side. I'm going to put my centerpiece down first. Where's my glue? I'm just putting the glue along the bottom. And I don't put the glue, I put less glue than I think I need, or I put the glue lower than I think I'm going to need, because I don't want to put my hill down and realize that I put some glue on the back side of here and that it's sticking to the mountains. I want to make sure that that is below the fold on the card base. So I just realized looking there that I had it a little bit too high. Now I am going to take this piece here, and once again, same as before, I'm going to make sure that those points connect, and this is where one of those white pieces came off. I put a tree on that join just to hide it a little bit, just so that imperfections weren't as obvious. So let's attach that little piece there. And then we're going to do the same for this side. We're going to attach this little piece, making sure that these 2 points connect there. There we go. I am going to let that dry, and once it's completely dry, we're going to do the next layer. The next layer is going to be adding different trees to here, and then we're also going to take some of those white scraps that we cut off way at the beginning, and we're going to create some snowy hills for the front of this card here as well. We'll see you in the next one.